Hey guys, we are starting with the first episode, Candid with Harsh. The show is all about my students, their problems, their issues, what they come across throughout their school life. Today's guests are the two guys which can rightly describe as two bodies, one soul. The first guest, Saurabh Sahani. He was the head boy of SBIS, very energetic person, very sensitive human being, and very emotional. I welcome my first guest, Saurabh Sahani. So I'm calling a better half, a guy with a great sense of humor, a very straightforward and very funny, Hayden Rosario. So Saurabh, school life is fun, really funny part of it. You might have enjoyed a lot in your school life. So is there any kind of funny incidents would you like to share with us?
There are many fun incidents, but the one which I remember the incident when you wrote the Hindi essay.
I remember.
याद है मैंने क्या लिखा क्वेश्चन क्या था मेरा प्रिय ऋतु मैंने क्या लिखा मेरा प्रिय शत्रु
That was really funny. Even I remember one of your essays, like your very close friend, and you've written that guy went to Nigel, right?
Nigel.
Yeah, he went to his funeral and he died and he auctioned his shoes and all that part. I guess I was reading your answer when you were writing it. So I guess that was really funny. That's the reason I could call you a very funny guy, like with a great sense of humor. Isn't it? Some regrets about your school life, Hayden?
I joined the school pretty late. I mean, if I would have joined earlier, I would have enjoyed even more. My school life, man. And I wish I could have joined the school even more earlier.
Great. What about you, Saurabh?
There was regret that I didn't utilize my time properly. I planned many things like studying every day in the beginning, 2 hours at least. But later on, it didn't work out with me. And I would like to tell the juniors, those who are coming to 10, that please utilize your time. And at the end, you are the one who is gonna pay for it.
That's very right. That's very true. I even expect that other juniors should do that, but we were continuously telling you, right? Keep on utilizing your time, and you are just wanted to go and play. I still remember in geography exam, you went for a basketball match, and you wanted to finish up the exam a little early so that you can go for the game, like
Everything just went.
yeah.
Yes, I remember.
That's right. ICSE has postponed their exams. You all know that because of the election part of it.
Yeah.
And I still remember when I posted the timetable on Insta, like every time, every now and then I'm getting a mixed review. Some are saying it's really good, some are saying it's really bad. I really don't want to know actually your views about it, but just would like to know that how is this, if you're taking it as a lesson of your life. Like, see, imagine, because ISE has preponed their timetable, and imagine if ICSE would have done that. What would have been your condition? Are you ready for the change? Or what was your strategy, Saurabh?
Yeah, of course, it's a great lesson for us. We have got a lot of time to utilize, and we have to study, solving papers. But if it would have got preponed, then in ICSE basically by October the portion gets over. So and by December the learning thing part gets over.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
basically we are ready for the board even if it gets preponed. And yeah, that's it.
What about you, Hayden?
Well, like you said, when he's prepared for the exams, there's no need to give much more time to it. But, well, getting postponed, it actually helped us a lot. It gave us more time to get ready, But if it would have been preponed, then, well,
It would have been a problem for you.
not much of a problem because we finished our studies anyways. It would have given us
Okay.
less time to prepare for the exams.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That
Not a
means
major
you're-
change, but
You're taking this as in
Lesson.
Yeah, because see, life may in future, like you might get something which is unavoidable circumstances, So obviously you're getting prepared for that part of it, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's great. That's great. So you all are all prepared for your ICSE examination.
Yes.
So we're prepared for everything.
Oh, that's great. That way everybody knows about it, right? Those who know Indian, they should know that.
I'm
Indian is
prepared for each and everything.
Each and everything.
Each and everything.
Yeah,
Actually, each and everything.
So, social media, that is our next topic. I've seen every now and then students are posting this thing on Facebook, or some are doing something on Insta, some are doing something on WeChat, WhatsApp, all that part of it. I personally feel that, or I would like to ask you that part, ki how is this social media, social life, is destroying your physical life, that is the life where you go and play outside. I still remember as a kid, when during our school days, like we used to definitely go and play outside, and we used to do lots of physical activities, which definitely, obviously, that in our times there was no Facebook and social media, but you have a lot. And I've seen people, students or kids rather, they are coming out very less to do these physical activities. So Saurabh, would you
So
like to say
what-
something?
So what I have seen is that the kid of my age doesn't know everything about every sport, that is, let it be football, basketball, cricket, but they basically are not playing on the ground, they are playing on their mobile phones. Rather they do not, they utilize the time on the mobile phones rather playing on the ground, doing physical exercise.
And according to research in a day, only on these social media sites. So Hidden, would you like to say something about this?
I mean, in a way, social media is also pretty useful to us. It's not like this actually. People are overusing it. I mean, 6 hours. I mean, I can hardly sit on the phone for 15 minutes. I mean, this is 6 hours you're talking about.
Yeah, so it's
Anyway, it's actually making, it's wasting our time. We're wasting our time over it. And instead, go out, talk to other people, play football. That'll be enough. That'll be better for you than just sitting at home.
yeah.
Being on this Facebook and shit, well, I will tell you, man, that is not how our life should be.
Yeah, that's really nice. Like from people of your age. Okay, that's really nice. Like guys of your age, and you are having such a serious thought about it. Yeah, definitely, because I have not seen you. I guess Saurabh, you're not there on any of the social media, or even Hidden. I guess your phone is not with you. So I guess that is the reason you are not on Facebook or any other things like that.
My phone took a flight to Ahmedabad. It's there only.
What is it?
On vacation, it's there with my mom.
That's really great.
Yes, sir.
That's really great, Aiden. So we'll come to our next question. Because see, when I used to tell you about your haircut, your uniform, especially the discipline part of it in your school life, you always, not only you guys, but students, like always on a protest mode. Like, why we need to have a haircut? Why we need to have a proper uniform? Later I remember I told you many of the times, like wear a belt and come and have a proper haircut and all that part of it. But would like to know from you all, like what is your view? See, because when I was in my school, we used to have a very proper haircut, and in our school it was very, very strict. But it is not only your part of it, like everywhere, wherever I go, wherever I see the students, they have the same views. So would you like to say something about it?
When you should have me to cut my hair, I felt like coming to school bald. I mean, it's like every day my hair grows back, cut it. But in a way, it's actually good because you want to keep that status of your school.
Yeah.
In school, got to see you discipline and stuff. But well, I feel it's actually for our good.
Yeah, but like you never used to do that. So why you always want have a protest mode about it? Like you want always like
In a way, we didn't want to mess up our looks. That's one thing.
Maybe because we don't look good with short hair.
But schools are the educational centers, we can call it. You don't come here for a fashion show. You don't come here for a show off kind of. So I think everybody should expect that. Expect from you all that you should have a very proper haircut, properly dressed. See, when you're walking on the road with a school uniform, when a school logo and all that, when the people see you, they say that like the school kids, look at them, look at their hair, look at the uniform. So it is not only you who are being pointed out, it is your school is also representing. You are representing your school. So I feel that has been done, right?
Yeah, it is. Well,
Pause.
I was
Yeah.
gonna say-
Khatam?
I was gonna say I want people to look at me and say you look decent and not what.
And you?
Okay, Kundan. Okay, so yeah, it makes us look good also in a way, but the kid of my age do not know. They feel that they don't look good, and that's what.
As a teacher, like even I might have done many of the times, like we are threatening you to take away your PT period. Like. So I really like to know what students are thinking about it, like what is going on in their mind. What is your opinion about it?
We definitely don't want to give our PT periods to the teachers because we hardly get PT period once a week, and we definitely require some time to refresh our mind. The whole day we are studying, we have a heavy schedule like going to classes, going to school, studying in the house. So definitely we require some time. So definitely it's not my cup of tea to give away the PT period.
What about you, Aiden?
Well, he's not wrong. But I understand the boards are on the way and the students are pretty much determined to get good marks. I'm pretty sure they're studying the whole day, you know. And well, I do feel that PT period is pretty much important to them because, you know, they gotta get some time to get their mind off studies and, you know, refresh a bit, stretch around a bit. So yeah, I feel this PT period is important.
So finally we come to the conclusion that no teacher should dare to take your PT periods, right?
Yes, I agree.
You might be cursing them, right?
Freedom
When
to
you-
PT periods.
Yeah.
Freedom to PT period. Oh, that means your PT teachers will be very happy for this part of it, right? Oh, that's great, that's great. Okay, so now we are entering to our very important part of it, rapid fire. So you have to be very quick. There will be some questions. As it is, you are very familiar with questions. So you have to be very quick when you are answering these.
Okay.
Fine? No chance of thinking, no time for thinking. You just have to be very quick and
Yeah.
spontaneous for that part,
That's
right? Okay. So I should start with Saurabh or Aiden?
Aiden.
Aiden. What about you? Should I start with you?
Aiden. Yes.
Okay, I think we should start with
Yes,
Saurabh.
yes. Big boy, chalo.
Okay. So Saurabh,
Okay.
be quick, be fast. Come on. Okay. Question number 1. One thing which you would like to change from the past.
One thing from the past. Utilize my time for studies.
Okay, that's great. Describe Aiden in 3 words.
Sense of humor.
Okay.
Great personality.
Okay.
And handsome.
Handsome. Oh, Aiden. Okay, next. Guess the song. I'll give you English translation. You have to guess the Hindi song. Okay. Please remember me in your prayers.
दुआओं में याद रखना.
Oh, great. The second one. Whole world is crazy for beautiful girls.
Whole world is crazy for beautiful girls. No, I'm not able to get.
सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना. The last one. You're very dangerous for health. You should know this.
Dangerous for health.
Yeah.
Very dangerous for health. No, I didn't get it.
Aiden, want to guess?
Dangerous for health.
It's way beyond me.
बापू सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक.
Oh.
Come on, Saurabh. Okay. Next question. The next question. One day you wake up as the following. What would you like to do?
As a
Following.
following.
Followings. First one. Prime Minister.
As a prime minister.
Yeah.
I would like to provide free education to children.
Okay. That's really great. School principal.
School principal. PT periods.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay. See, nowadays you young guys like are using too many short forms, right? So
Yeah.
I'm giving you some
Short form.
abbreviations and you have to give a full form of it. GIF.
GIF.
Yeah, you have seen
Ah.
Facebook page always like
Oh, the
GIF,
photo.
GIF, yeah.
GIF.
Okay. Graphics, interchange,
Interchange
format.
format. अरे यार the photo में.
EDM,
Ah.
क्या? Electronic dance music.
तू मेरा दोस्त नहीं.
BRB,
BRB.
be right back.
Oh, I thought it was Bogdan.
I'm totally cool.
Okay. What suggestion you would like to give to the following people? Salman Khan.
Oh.
नहीं बोलेगा.
Salman Khan,
Yeah.
please accept your mistake.
Okay, that's great. Ranveer Singh.
Oh, your mustache is great, dude.
Okay. Deepika Padukone.
You're very beautiful, my dream girl.
That's really great. Disha Patani.
Second.
Cutest of all.
Oh, that's great. Okay. Best comment you heard about yourself till now?
You're looking like a model.
Great. Okay. Now you have to answer as Hayden.
As him, okay.
Yeah.
So I have to behave like him or?
No, you just have to answer like him. Okay. My irritating habit.
My irritating habit.
Yeah.
Speaking Hindi.
Okay. I'm very bad
At Hindi.
again in
Hindi,
Okay.
wow.
I'm scared of.
Principal ma'am.
That's really great. That's very quick. You were a little bit slow in between. So we move on to Hayden. Hayden, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm ever ready.
Okay, you're ever ready. Okay. One thing which you feel you cannot live without it. Facebook or football?
Football.
So you want to.
Physical exercise.
Yeah, I mean Facebook I can give right now, right? I tell you ask me to delete the account. Lazard. Go on.
That's great. Name a celebrity which comes to your mind when I say the following: the fashion icon of India.
Disha Patani.
So both of you, really good.
Oh,
Footballer of India?
Footballer of India.
Yeah.
ये बात कर रहा है.
Okay. Footballer of India?
Sunil Chhetri.
Sunil Chhetri.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay. What would you like to do, especially for your country, on 15th of August?
On 15th of August.
Yeah. Why?
No,
Is it so difficult to do something for your
To
country?
help the country so much, na.
So much now.
So much, but in what?
To help the country so much, na. I think I'll jump off a cliff. I'll save India.
Okay. We move on to next. What does a student means when they say the following? Okay. Number one. Teacher, I have done the homework, but I forgot the book at home.
Homework है ही नहीं.
Homework है ही नहीं? Okay. You meet me outside. What does that mean? Do you want to take retake?
Can I hear the question again?
Okay. What does a student means when they say the following? You meet me outside.
It's 5 minutes.
It's
ऐसा
fine.
मारेगा ना तेरे को. 5 minutes.
Okay. Last one. I study very hard, but I don't get marks as expected.
I study very hard. Oh, what did I tell you? My marks aren't worth it.
Okay. Rate in preference, which you like the most. There are 4 options. You have to rate best, like closer to you, and then friends, neighbors, family, cousins.
Friends, neighbors, friends, cousins, family, neighbor.
Okay. Good. So family is third.
Third, yeah.
Okay, that's good. What worst comment you heard about yourself? I
I
don't
think
know.
I'll be Nalayak.
I think you used to wait.
That should be Nalayak, I think.
Worst comment I've heard about myself, na?
Yeah.
Hayden, I love you suit, but I don't love you.
That is really good. Okay. Wow. Last one, second last one, which is really important. I'm giving you some sentences in English. You have to translate in Hindi.
Oh.
Okay? Come on. The first one, the weather is very good.
मौसम बहुत अच्छा है.
Oh, great. Yes. You are very funny. I didn't get you. What?
नहीं रुक. तू मेरा हंसी का कारण है.
तू मेरे हंसी का कारण है. It should be. Your last question for Hindi translation is, I will meet you in half an hour.
मैं तेरे को आधा घंटा में मिलेगा.
मैं तेरे को आधा घंटा में मिलेगा. That's great. That's great. Okay, last question of rapid fire. Answer is Saurabh. Side of my personality which many people are not aware of.
Side of my personality.
Yeah. You are answering as Saurabh.
Oh, yes, sir. So my personality was the side of my personality which others haven't seen, right?
Yes.
Oh
We got it, we got it,
I haven't hidden British accent. It is very super, sir. You must hear it.
got it. Is Saurabh a mama's boy or dad ka beta?
Dad ka beta yaar.
Dad ka beta, okay. I get angry on. You're answering as Saurabh.
Huh.
I get angry on what? What is the thing which gives me more anger?
I get angry on maths.
Maths. You get angry on maths?
No.
Well, he doesn't know you, that means properly.
He never gets angry when you look at him.
Okay, anyway, we come to an end of rapid fire, and I guess winner is very clear.
Khan, the cameraman.
No ways. It's you, Aiden.
Love you, Dad. Love you, Nigel, and love you, Hayden. Okay.
Love you, bro. Bonus for
And love you.
Okay, anyway, so we are concluding now. So, how was your experience? How was the show? Anything you would like to say?
I mean, yeah, it was cool, it was amazing, it was enjoyable, and I love the show. And pretty much sheds light on what student views are about, you know, school life and stuff. Pretty much. I love
Yeah,
the
what
show.
Hayden told was completely correct. It helps also the juniors who are coming to them.
Okay. That's great. So, thanks for coming, guys. I guess we enjoyed a lot. So, see you.